Hey beautiful. So it's been a while since I last talked to you and I kind of miss talking to everyone. So I know that we are in the middle of a pandemic right now and along with other controversial issues, but I was hoping that my voice will be heard out there. But before that, disclaimer lang na if you hear some background noises, please bear with me. Nakabukas yung aircon and actually yun nga, usually if I'm gonna do a vlog like this, wala kasi akong audio talaga. I just use the audio in the camera itself. So, madalas pinapatay ko yung aircon habang nagsasalita ako. But today is going to be an exception because mainit ang panahon, mga besh. The first thing that is on my agenda today is a 30-minute workout. So that's what I've been doing the past few days. So let's go ahead and wash our faces first. But before I do that, I just wanted to talk about my cleanser. So this is a very vital step in my daily life. You know, cleaning your hands is important. Washing your body or taking a shower, taking a bath is also important, as well as brushing your teeth and of course your face. So this cleanser that I'm using is from Neutrogena and this is the new 50 grams na pack. I actually have this in the bigger one and I use the brightening, but now I'm just using to the regular foaming cleanser. This is the cleanser that I've been using for the past 3 months. Beforehand, I used the brightening one. But basically, I love the Neutrogena facial cleansers because it's dermatologist recommended. It's safe for all skin types. I'm telling you guys, it's really safe for all skin types. Especially when I got pregnant last year. It took me a long time, a really long time, I'm telling you, to find a cleanser that works for me or something that doesn't irritate my skin, because I tend to get redness around my nose area. I tend to get redness around all of my face, especially the cheeks. Before I met Neutrogena, pag nag-wash ako ng face, I remember having that stinging, that burning sensation all around my face, and I did not like that because who wants that? I felt as if masisira yung balat ko. So that's why I switched and I tried to find a really good cleanser. And that's when I tried Neutrogena, which is yung liquid Neutrogena. Yeah, the liquid Neutrogena one, which is yung parang clear yung container niya and then it's just orange, or it looks clear orange. So that's what worked for me, and when Neutrogena tapped me last year, I was so excited because I've already been using Neutrogena, so I wanted to try this one as well. And also, it's better news because they have the 50 grams. Minsan mag-overnight kami dun sa mom ng husband ko for like weeks, on weekends. And then I would bring that, the big one, or I would transfer it in a small container. So now, meron na silang small size na nito, which is perfect for traveling. Anyway, back to the pandemic issue. So I've been really curious about how are you guys coping up with this, because I feel like for me, yung paglabas-labas, it's not really new for me because I stay at home anyway. So I have 2 babies and I get to stay at home talaga because we don't have a maid or a yaya or a babysitter. So ako lang talaga yung gumagawa ng lahat. Pero syempre may share din naman yung husband ko doon. Pero most of the time when he had work, of course ako yung may iwan dito sa bahay and I have to take care of my kids, of course. I have to do all the chores and all. If there are some things that I can't do, my husband is going to do them for me. So for example, I do the laundry, then he's gonna fold the clothes. So we do that kind of stuff here. So hati talaga kami ng responsibility. But now that nagkaroon ng ECQ, it's been really much easier for me because my husband is always here. He's always there to help, and that's what I appreciate about him the most. I was able to try a lot regarding culinary or cooking. If I wasn't a makeup artist, I think I'd be a chef right now. But yeah, I was able to really focus on myself and my other hobby. I've always wanted to try gardening, so that's what I did. The first thing that I did when the ECQ hit, I just started with some spring onions yata. No, I think it was lettuce. Yeah, which ultimately failed I don't know why it just keeps on failing. Super hilig ako sa salad, especially now that I'm trying to go on a diet because I really need to lose some weight. I need to lose this baby weight off. So, sabi nila yun daw yung pagpag-grow ng lettuce. Lalagyan mo lang siya sa tubig and then tutubo siya, and then after a while, when nagkaroon siya ng sprouts dun sa gitna, pwede mo na siya ilipat sa soil. Pwede din naman siya water alone, pero yun nga, I don't know what's happening. Pinapalitan ko naman yung tubig and all of that, pero hindi talaga siya nag-grow fully, or maybe I'm just not patient enough. I started with lettuce and then it grew from there to spring onions, and now I've planted tomatoes. What else? Tomatoes, cabbage, petchay, carrots. The carrots and the cabbage, it also failed because there was one instance wherein bumagyo and I didn't notice na binagay pala sila. So I'm still a plant killer basically, but I'm trying my best. And then accidentally may petchay din na nag-grow. Yung petchay na tinatanim ko, actually it was in an old egg tray container, and then nilagay ko siya sa balcony, and then for some reason I think hinangin siya pataas. Ang egg tray, di ba, magaan lang naman siya. So, basically, nahulog lahat ng petchay. And then, binalik ko yung mga soil dun sa loam soil container. And then, nagamit ko pala siya with the tomato. So, yung tomato, may katabi siyang petchay. Still gonna figure that out, and I'm still going to depot them into another container. Wow! Nagdi-depot ng garden or ng plants, when before I used to depot makeup. Oh my gosh, what's happening to me? I've also been working out. If you haven't noticed, I think I lost weight. I just really have to be confident about that. I really lost some weight, okay? I've been trying this 21-day workout challenge. It's not from any kind of fitness instructor or coach. It's just my own workout routine, which if I'm going to be successful, I'm gonna share it in a workout video if I have the time to make one soon. Kind of workouts that it's in my workout routine right now are the kinds that I used to do like years ago. I have been pregnant twice in 2 years. So that's like one every year, and then before that I gained weight twice. And to me, it's not really an issue, it's not a big deal. Of course, sometimes I think about it and I get frustrated because hindi nakasya yung mga clothes ko, but I think that's just it. That's just it, I guess. It's not about, you know, like I look ugly or whatever. It's just that I love clothes, I love dressing up, and I can't do that when I don't have all the clothes that I love with me. I mean, I don't want to keep on buying new clothes just because I gained weight. I'm a very minimalist person, so if you can see my closet, it's just really small. I just keep the basic ones, and all of my clothes are just in, you know, basic colors and all that. Although I'm given clothes that are like they have colors, but I really prefer like more dark, beige, neutral, white, gray, black, light black, joke. And also because I want to feel strong, so that's the thing why I'm working out. I want to be strong, I want to be able to carry all my kids when I grow up. As for the makeup itself, I haven't really been trying to like create new looks, but I did create a look I think just a few days ago, just for selfies. But the makeup itself, I don't know why, there comes a time when you're not feeling inspired. We are diving deep right now. Like, I'm not sure if I can keep this up. I mean, pansin niyo naman yan sa mga videos ko, diba, na I don't upload regularly anymore. I think I just want to focus on the kids. I want to vlog my mom life and all that, but I don't think you're ready for that. I don't know, maybe I'm just overthinking. Sama mo pa yung anxiety attack na you don't know if you're doing the right thing, or, you know, if something feels new to you, then you're just afraid of trying it out, or you're just afraid of what people might say. So actually, I've already talked to my husband about this, and he's very supportive of whatever decision I'm going to take. So anyway, medyo nalilihis tayo sa topic, and I just really want to start this thing now. So back to the topic of pandemic, I think we are all worried right now. We are all thinking about our health, our safety, our life, our friends' lives, our family, and all of that, our jobs. We are thinking about a lot of things right now. We don't know the future and what it holds for us. I think it's very important that we stay calm and that we think positively. I know maraming mga issues yung government natin right now, but as it says in the Bible, I think it's best that we just open our hearts and our minds and pray for them. That's the best that we can do. We pray for our leaders that they make the best decisions. And I'm not saying that I'm with them. I personally don't like some of the like the new bills and all of that, but the best thing that we can do right now is really just pray for them. And I know some of people are gonna react to what I'm saying right now, but yeah, at this time we really just need each other. We need to take care of each other. We need to look out for one another, because if we only look after ourselves, then everyone is going to be selfish. I'm just saying my intentions are good and that we all should just think positively. I know many people lost their jobs, but I'm still here. Many people don't know how to pay their bills, but I'm still here. But I'm not saying I'm lucky or anything like that. I'm just saying I'm still here. Tomorrow I may suddenly be hit by COVID-19, and I'm scared of that. But today I'm still here, I'm still breathing, I'm still surviving, and that's what I'm thankful for. While I'm still here, I'm trying to make use of the time that I have to create new content and also to re-upload throwback videos. So I have a lot of backlogs and I haven't really had the time to edit them, because in the past 2 years I've been really focusing on my kids and on myself and on my family, and it's really a tug of war between my private life and influencing, because as a public figure there is like a stigma that I have to share everything, but that's not really true. So today that is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be editing some videos from like last year or last year, so you better be prepared for like a throwback video. And I'm actually just thinking of the hashtag. Should it be like a throw vlog Thursday? Throw vlog Thursday TVT. Few days are also all about coffee. I'm a huge tea drinker. Like, I never thought I'd love coffee. Normally people love coffee more. Like, I don't know anyone who likes tea but me. Like, I never thought I'd be good at making my own coffee. Like, I could never get it right. Okay, so that's why I switched to tea. Having 2 kids is gonna make you want to drink coffee all day long. This pandemic really taught me how to make coffee. Yeah, I think that's just a life update. But basically, before I forget, baka kasi ma-close ko yung video without thinking about it. But I just wanted to say that I'm here for you guys. If you ever want to talk to me, just please hit me, okay? Hit me down in the comment section, hit me in my messages or whatever. We could totally win this thing, okay? We are so much bigger than COVID-19. If only we cooperate, guys, and practice social distancing, clean your hands, be hygienic, and all of that stuff, we are going to win this thing, and this is going to be over real soon, I promise. So without further ado, let's go downstairs and wash our faces.